Welcome to the PMDRX DMERX Intake User Training Module. This training video has been designed to help you understand how to sign in and navigate the PMDRX website as an intake user. Please note that all patient names, doctor names, and medical supply company names in this training video are fictitious for HIPAA compliance purposes. To view the PMDRX website, navigate on your browser of choice to www.pmdrx.com. You may wish to bookmark the PMDRX website for easy future access. Your access to PMDRX will be as an intake user for the company you are working with. Your company will have a designated PMDRX account administrator who can view all activity of the company's intake user team and can also set up new intake users or delete any intake user who is no longer active with the organization. When you have been set up as an intake user by your organization's PMDRX account administrator, you will receive an email from PMDRX that will contain a link within the body of that email that will allow you to sign in to activate your PMDRX user account and set up your own personal secure password. Simply click the activation link in the email. If clicking the link does not work, copy and paste the link in your browser. You will be directed to your account password setup page, where you will set up your own personal secure password. Your login identification and user password are unique to your account. Make a note of your login password and identification and do not share it with any other person. After clicking Save New Password, you'll be directed to your user login page, where you'll be required to enter the password that you just set up. After entering your password, click Login to continue to the next page. The next page you will see will be the Terms and Conditions of Use page. This is our standard Terms and Conditions of Use agreement that PMDRX website users are required to acknowledge. At the bottom of the Terms and Conditions page, you'll be required to accept the Terms and Conditions of Use in order to continue. If you accept the terms and conditions of use, click Submit to continue. The next page you will see will be a page where you will set up your own personal secret question and answer. This is a question and answer that PMDRX staff will use for identification purposes. The secret question is used to validate you as a registered PMDRX user when you call PMDRX customer support. A PMDRX customer support person will ask you the question you established previously and make sure you provide the correct answer. Enter your secret question and answer and click Save. The next page you will see will be a page that will give you the option to enter your cell phone number. Entering your cell phone number allows you to have a text message sent to your cell phone with a secret code that allows you to reset your password should you forget it. Your cell phone number is private and will not be shared with anyone by PMDRX without your permission. Once you have decided whether or not you're going to enter your cell phone number, click Save or No Thanks to continue. The next page you will see will be your intake user homepage. When you log in the future, you will be immediately directed to this page. From the intake homepage, you will be able to perform your assigned tasks as an intake user. And there are several links which you have access to. You can navigate to view exams that you and others in your company have posted for a doctor or other prescribing clinician. You can set up a new patient exam, search for a prescribing clinician, view the profile for your company, or edit your own personal intake profile by clicking on your name. In the My Items section of this page, You will be provided a status regarding how many exams you have that are pending, in process, or completed. When you click View Exams, the next page you will see will be a list of exams for your organization and the current status of the exam. The exam status is color-coded for easy identification of exactly where in the process an exam is. Green is for pending exams, yellow for exams that a doctor has already started, and red for exams that have been completed. You can search the exams list by using numerous search options. You can search through the exams by checking or unchecking the pending, in process, or completed box. You can also search by the date the exam was posted to your company's account, and you can search by the patient's last name or the doctor's last name. Exams can also be sorted by clicking the top of each column to sort the column alphabetically, or to sort by the name of the doctor and other search options. Clicking on the name of a patient will take you to that patient's information page. To set up a new patient exam for your organization, click the New Patient Exam tab on the blue toolbar at the top of your page, or click the Set Up New Patient Exam tab just above the patient exam list. Select the type of exam to be performed on the patient. Clicking the tab for the type of exam to be performed will take you to a blank patient information page where you will enter all patient information such as name, address, insurance, patient contact information, etc. You can also enter notes at the top of the page for the doctor to read when he logs in to do the patient exam. After you have entered all pertinent patient information, click the Save Entries tab at the top or bottom of the page. This will add the patient as a pending exam on your organization's exam list. After you have saved the patient information, click on the name of the patient saved on your exam list to assign a doctor who will be performing the exam. Click Assign Clinician to assign a doctor to this patient. After you click to assign a clinician, you'll be directed to a physician search page where you can search to see if the doctor is already registered with PMDRX. You have the ability to search the PMDRX database several ways. Often the easiest way to search is by the doctor's NPI number, but you can also search by the doctor's last name, first name, practice name, or practice phone number. If you don't find the doctor on your first search, try the other search options as well. When you find the name of the doctor, simply click on that doctor's name to assign the patient exam. Be very careful to select the right doctor since there may be other doctors with a similar name. When you're certain that you have selected the right doctor, click Select this prescribing clinician for patient exam. You will now be able to see that a patient is assigned by looking at the bottom of the patient information page. The patient's name will also appear on the doctor's exam list that you assigned it to. Each prescribing practitioner will have their own exam list that they can view when they log in to process the patient exam. If the physician you have signed is unable to process the exam, you can reassign the exam to another clinician by clicking the Reassign Clinician tab. The PMDRX website is a very user-friendly software program, and you'll quickly learn how to navigate your status as an intake user. You have now completed your PMDRX training. Should you have any questions or need additional assistance, please contact PMDRX Customer Support at 888-697-6379. If our customer support team is busy when you call, please leave a message and we'll call you back as soon as possible. Thank you for viewing this video training session.